Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You need to begin with the essentials. Update OBS and GPU drivers because outdated drivers cause capture failures. Once done, run OBS as administrator so it can access the full screen. Next, add a display capture source and explicitly select the target monitor. Many systems present multiple monitor ID. Make sure hardware acceleration in browsers or apps is off, since that can block capture. These first actions remove permission and source selection barriers and get you ready for deeper configuration. Now you configure OBS to record the full screen correctly. Set the base, canvas, and output scaled resolution to the exact monitor resolution so pixels map 1:1. Once set, choose a quality-preserving scaler, Lanxos, and confirm the downscale is 1x to avoid cropping. Then pick an appropriate encoder. Use the GPU hardware encoder when possible to reduce CPU load and avoid dropped frames. Also, switch capture method between automatic and Windows graphics capture to see which reliably captures that app or desktop. Finish by recording a short test clip and playing it back to confirm full screen capture from edge to edge. If you see black screens or only a partial image, switch the source type to window capture or try the alternative capture method you didn't use. Sometimes exclusive full screen in games prevents display capture. Make sure overlays like Discord, GeForce Experience, or browser hardware acceleration are off. If problems persist, restart the GPU driver or toggle OBS compatibility modes. This often resolves stubborn capture conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.